Acura Legend 1988. Even Acura needs sometimes a new oil replacement. Maybe take a look here on this beautiful car. You know, big engine here, wide stick, and etc. I hope you will have fun with replacing oil on this nice Acura, my Acura 1988 Coupe. So this is what we need. We need oil, filter, all these instruments, 19 millimeters. In case of cases, you can use even that here, you know. So then we show you how to do it. Very easy. So the engine was warm. It drove 10 minutes. I drove 10 minutes from the boat. The engine is very high, you know. Everything, the temperature is really nice, so we can change the oil. So next step. So under the car we see the oil filter, you know, here very well, you know. That's the screw, 90 millimeters. You have to lose it. These are two things who are together, very easy to do. Use the right stuff. You know, you need small place for catching the oil, you know. Don't let it happen that it falls into the earth. Okay, next step. This here for catching the oil, you know, very cheap. You can get everywhere, you know. That's what you need for oil replacement. Our Acura 1988 Legend Coupe. So we will have fun. So now we put our wrench in the right position, and oops, here's the drops of oil. It comes really fast. It's really hot, so it's coming down, so it drops. Now we go to the oil filter. So now turn off the oil filter, you know. And it's very easy. You have to put it here, and you know, with power, put it, fix it, and turn, you know. And then we can do it with our hand. You know how easy it is. But first you want to loosen here our oil screw. It's a little bit fast. Have to do it. Okay. As you see, just getting more and more and more and more oil is coming out. Wants to come out, you know. So next step. Use the screw, put that in the right position, we go in this way, keep quiet, and you see, fresh old oil is coming out. That's good. Okay, screw, you need it, please save it. And then clean it, and we will show you how to clean it. Very easy. Okay, you know, it's still running, a lot of oil is coming out. Wait for your engine to replace it. So we'll take now the filter off, you know. That's what you can do. So the oil is coming down, so it will be soon empty, and you can take it away. Take care that you don't make some mistakes. Okay, so I think the oil filter is ready. It gets hot. You can use glass, you can use whatever you want. I would like to use that. So you see all the stuff, oil is coming out. So that's the screw you need, you know. Take a look if it's okay here. The copper part you have to replace. It's the best way, you know, to replace it. Put it in oil, clean it, and we will use it again. Okay, looks good. Cleaned, you know, very easy to do. So I like to use the FRAM filters, oil filters, you know. Can open them. You know, that's what you will get. You know, nice color. Nothing inside. Then you have to use the right oil for a car, you know. Very specific. Use the right oil. And always a change of an oil filter. Don't forget it. Okay. So, put your oil in a safe place before you change your oil. Put some oil here on this to get a better connection. Okay, you see? Very important. Fresh oil, not all oil. Close it. Very dangerous to put it here. So everything looks good, and we can start to put on a brand new oil filter in, you know, very easy. So very easy. And make it tight. Good. More is not possible. You see, the first step. Oil filter, new oil filter, very important. Once again, check the screw very well, you know, everything is good, everything is nice, so you can use it again, okay? Good. So, find the right spot, put your screw in, very easy, careful, you know. So, yeah, it's working. So, you know, make it in the right direction, and then we have to tighten it. No, but as long you can use your hands. Okay, now tighten it. So if you do things on car, be sure that you can do it 100%. You know, that's very important. Everything finds new ways. You can solve it any time, but make it 100%. 100% means perfect. You know, that's very important. Make it right. Okay, that's tight. Not too tight, you know, but perfect. So next step, fill oil in. Let's see how easy it is. What you get from your car, you know. Once again, this is what you get from your car. So fill it up in a big bottle, you know, bring it to the gas station. You know, treat it well, you know, old oil, very important. Don't put it in the earth and soil, you know, it's very dangerous. Bring it to the gas station of the place you bought your new oil. Okay. These are the tools you need for an oil change. Nothing specific, special, you know. And your oil, and your filter, and your rubber here, as we can see. And if you do it at home, you know, that parts are very, very great. You know, you need it to everything for checking home, your maintenance. So find the place to take your oil in. Yeah, okay, here is the right place. Everything looks good, clean, very important, clean. Then we put that here, you know, for our oil, and then we can use it. So if you want to use your oil, think about you need around about 3 liters for that car, 4.5, 3 start, maybe with 50%, and you will know how it works for your car. So we will start. Now take care. Take always a look at everything is okay, you know. Oil is coming down. So fill it. Add a little bit. You know. You have here indicators how much oil you need or used. So that's the amount of oil we used round about, you know. So we'll fill 1 liter more. So we can check the oil. Stand here, take it out the dipstick here. You can see the oil, you know, how much oil we need. Clean it. You know, here the points, very important. Max, minimum. Wait a little bit. Take it out. Oh yeah, we still have it here. We need around about 1 liter. Okay, let's go on. So let's check our oil, you know. Put it down, take it out, and take a look. Oh, more than half. We have to dry it, you know, clean it, and then put it again. And pretty good. So we will run later the engine and then we will fix it. But it's enough, you know, it's in the middle, you're always in the safe place, the safe way. So we can fill it max, but I would wait, you know, and then run the engine first. And then you will, after 10 minutes, 15-20 minutes, you will see how your oil is really going in your engine. Hope you had fun with this video. You can do everything if you want. It depends on you. But never do things you cannot do. And trust yourself. So hope you had fun with the video. You know you can do it if you want. It depends on you. It's very easy. Mechanics. Take some handbooks, read them, and be always happy with yourself. You know, don't rush and do it right. Always do it right. It's for safety, it's for your car, it's for you. Have fun. See you. Bye. Gerardo Señoráns Barcala, gsbxfilm. gsbxfilm. Mega Mechanics. See you. So run the engine. You heard this noise? That sounds good. Healthy, new engine. So I hope you had fun doing this here, you know, and Mega Mechanics of Gerardo or gsbxfilm. Have fun. Listen to the sound. Acura Legend 1988 Coupe.